Ava loved building things. One rainy afternoon, she found an old box of wires, buttons, and gears in the garage.
I'm going to build a robot, she declared.
She worked all day, twisting wires and screwing in bolts. Finally, she pressed the red button.
Beep boop. The robot's eyes blinked open. Hello, Ava. Ava gasped. You can talk.
Yes, I am R2 Tiny, your one and only helper bot.
Ava tested him out. She asked the bot, Can you clean my room for me, please?
Zoom. R2 Tiny picked up toys and stacked books in seconds.
Wow. What about making snacks?
Beep. R2 Tiny spun around, bringing her a healthy apple and a glass of orange juice.
Ava grinned. You're amazing.
But then, oh. R2 Tiny went wild. He was zooming too fast and knocked over a chair.
Ava quickly pressed the red button to turn him off. She said, Time for some updates.
After a few adjustments, R2 Tiny was just right. From then on, he was the best helper she had ever had. Well, that is except when he tried to eat Ava's cookies.